Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my students. Today we have the last learning club in grade 1. Okay, we have learning club number 4. We have today lesson 1, part 1. So our learning objectives for today, we are going to review numbers from 1 to 6. And then we are going to learn the new numbers from 7 to 10. And we learn how to tell time. For example, it's 2 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock, okay? Good. Now let's revise the previous numbers that we have already studied. Yeah, what's this? Number 1, excellent. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, excellent. Now, what number is it? 4. This one? 2. Excellent. 5. This one? 6. This one? 1. Very good. Now, let's learn the new one. Here, with the orange, we have 7. Then we have 8, 9, 10. Say it, my students. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count from here. 10, 9, 8, 7. What number is it? 9. What about this? 7. 8. Excellent. This one? 10. Excellent. Great. And here what do we have? This is a clock. What's this? A clock. And inside the clock we have what? We have number. We have numbers from 1 till 12. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the number that we studied. And here we have 11 and 12. Later on you will know these numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is what? A clock. What is it? A clock. Now, my students, open your class book. Let's see here. Numbers and telling the time. So, in this part, we are going to learn the numbers and how to tell time. Okay, look at question number 1. What do we use to tell the time? Meg is asking you, what do we use to tell the time? We use what? Clock. Very good. Now look at question number 2. Listen, point, and repeat. Here we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here we have 11, 12. 11, 12. Yes? Now listen and point to the numbers that you hear. Okay? Listen.
Learning Club 4. Recording LC4.1. Listen, point, and repeat.
1.
Say 1.
2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12.
Okay, my students? Now look and say, okay, the missing numbers. So here we have missing number. You are going to say the missing number and write it. Okay, my students? Now, we have here 3, 4, What is missing? 5. Very good. So you are going to write here number 5 like this. Yeah. Then 9. 10. Very good. 11. 12. Here 1. 2. Very good. 3. 4. Then 5. It's already done for you. 6. Then 7. Very good. 8. 9. Then 10. Okay, my students? Now, my students, listen, point, and say. Here, what do we have? Clocks. Very good. How many clocks we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Now, listen, point, and say. Listen.
Learning Club 4. Recording LC 4.2. Listen, point, and say. 1.
Number 1.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Very good. Look at the time here with the short hand. It's 2 o'clock. What about number 2? Can you read it, my students? 7 o'clock. Very good.
2. 7 o'clock.
Excellent. Number 3.
3. 11 o'clock.
Say 11 o'clock.
4. 9 o'clock.
So this is 9 o'clock. Okay, my students? Now, my students, here we have numbers from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I want two students. I'm going to give you this word. You are going to show me where's the number, okay, to beat these the numbers that I'm gonna to name. For example, 3, you are gonna to put this one here in number 3. We will see who will be the winner. Okay, my students? Good. That's all for today. Goodbye.